Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan caravan, where you can learn to draw a fir tree. Fir trees are wide on the bottom and pointy on the top. They look a bit like a triangle. They don't have any leaves. Instead, they have thousands and thousands of tiny sharp green needles, which makes them look very, very spiky. To help you practice drawing a fir tree, how about you draw a triangle first and draw the spikes around it like this. Start by drawing a wiggly line along the bottom of the triangle. Then start working your way up the side using a ziggy-zaggy line. When you get to the top, do one spike up and then start working your way down the other side of the triangle. Draw a square on the bottom for the trunk, and there you have your fir tree. When you've practiced this a few times with a triangle, try it without it. Then you can colour your fir tree in green. I'm going to use dark green for this one, with a brown trunk. Fir trees often grow in a forest, next to lots of other fir trees. So let's draw another one. Remember? Wiggly line along the bottom. Ziggy-zaggy line up the side. One spike on the top and another ziggy-zaggy line down the other side. A square on the bottom and colour it in. I think I use a different green this time. And a brown trunk. You could draw lots and lots of trees to make a forest. I wonder what you could draw in your forest. Maybe it's where Little Red Riding Hood goes to find her granny's cottage. Or maybe there are some wild animals living in the forest. Or maybe you go to this forest to find a Christmas tree and take it home to decorate it. I'd love to know what ideas you come up with. If you want to show me your drawings, take a really good picture of it, close up, in good light, and then attach it to an email and send it to my email address, which is sketchcan.caravan@gmail.com.